Hello class, today is Wednesday, August 11th, 2021. Yesterday we did rounding. Today we're going to look at number patterns. Number patterns on page 40. On page 40, we're going to look at number patterns. So we did number patterns already, but this is just extra number patterns. So, number patterns are numbers that are arranged in a specific relationship. The following numbers in any pattern can be found. So, for example, find the next two numbers in the pattern. Here we have 20, 21, 24, 29, blank, blank. We don't know these last two. So we have to think about 20 to 21, we plus 1. 21 to 24, we plus 3. 24 to 29, we plus 5. So the one after would be 29 plus 7, we get 36. 36 plus 9, we get 45. Right? So we plus 1, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, plus 9, right? And write that down. All right, plus 1, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, plus 9. We're adding 2 every single time, 2 extra. So next one. Find the next two numbers in this pattern. 100, 95, 85, 70. Let's take a look. 100 to 95 is 100 minus 5. 95 to 85 is minus 10. 85 to 70, minus 15. So we're going to keep doing it, right? 100 minus 5, 95 minus 10, 85 minus 15. So the next two should be 70 minus 20. 70 minus 20 equals 50. 50 minus 25 is 25. So first we're going to do minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, minus 25. The relationship of this pattern is subtracting 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We're adding 5 every single time and subtracting more and more. So here we take a look. These tiles or squares are arranged into squares in this pattern. Figure 1, we have 1 square. Figure 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Figure 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 squares. Figure 4, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many are there in figure 10, right? This is only figure 4. Figure 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 has 1. This has 4. This has 9. This has 16. So we can see this only has 1, right? So 1 times 1, we get 1. 2 times 2, 3, 4. Right? 4 times 4. So figure 10 has 100 because 10 times 10. We're just doing 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5, 6 times 6, 7 times 7. Right? So we can already know figure 5 has 25. 5 times 5, 6 times 6, times 7, 8 times 8, 9 times 9. Right? That's how we know figure 10 has 100. from 10 times 10. Therefore, there are 100 tiles or squares in figure 10. The relationship of this pattern is 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4. Let's take a look. Here we see 9, 13, 17, 21. So we can see 9 to 13. What is 9 to 13? Plus 4. 13 to 17 plus 4. 17 to 21 plus 4. So the relationship of this pattern is, right, let's take a look. The relationship of this pattern is, we're always going to add 4. So 21 plus 4 plus 4, we get 25. Plus 4, we get 29. We're always adding. Let's see, the relationship of this pattern is increased by 4. Do you remember increase and decrease? Increase is going up, decrease is going down. Remember? Increase is going up. Decrease is going down. So, next one. We have 34, 40, 41, 48, 55, blank, 69, blank. So 34 to 41, we plus 7, plus 7, plus 7. So 41 plus 7, 48. 48 plus 7, 55. 55 plus 7, we get 62. 62 plus 7, we get 69. 69 plus 7, we get 76. The relationship of this pattern is increased by 7. Increased by 7. All right, next one. The relationship of this pattern is number 3, 59 to 56. What is that? What happened? Minus 3. 56 to 53, minus 3. 53 minus 3 is 50. 53 minus 3 is 47. 47 minus 3 is 44. So increase is going up. What's the opposite? We're going down now. So is decreased by 3. Decreased by 3. Decreased by 3. That's how we know. Decreased by 3. Number 4. Let's look at the relationship of this problem. We have 66, 10, 77, 20, blank, 30, blank, right? So, let's take a look. We can see minus 56, 66 to 10 is minus 56. 10 to 77, we plus 67. Then we minus 57. Then we plus again, right? So let's take a look. We're going to minus 56 plus 67 minus 57. All right. Next one should be plus 68. 68 plus 20 is 88. Then we're going to minus 58. All right, 57, 58. Then we're going to plus 69, which gets us to 99. So the relationship of this pattern is, let's take a look, increased by 11 and 10. Right? Increased by 11 and 10. We're always going to increase So, next one, number 5. We have 1, 3, 6, 10, blank, 21, blank. So, 1 to 3, we plus 2. 3 to 6, plus 3. 6 to 10, plus 4. All right, 10 to blank, plus 5. We're going to write 15. 15 to blank, plus 6. 21, plus 7. We get 28. 28. So the pattern of this is adding one more than the next, right? We're always going to add 1 plus, right? Increased by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're increasing, right? They're always increasing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Always increasing. Always increasing. All right. Next. Is number 2. We're going to take a look at triangles and shapes now. But let's take a look at number 4 again. I think this one is a little bit flawed here. The pattern is a little bit different. We can skip this for here. Skip. I'll highlight it. I don't think this is correct. It's not too important because the pattern is different than what it's supposed to be. But let's take a look at number 2. Consider the number of triangles in the pattern. How many triangles are there in figure 9? How many triangles are there in figure 9? So triangle 1 has 1 triangle. Figure 2 has 2. Figure 3 has 3. Figure 4 has 4. So figure 9 should have 9, right? There are 9 triangles in figure 9. The relationship of this pattern is increased by 1, right? We always add 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. All the way until 9. So we're going to say increased by 1. Increased by 1. Increased by 1. That's exactly what we're going to write. Increased by 1. So number 2. Each side measures 1 unit. each side. So they're saying each side is 1, 1. They arranged into squares in the following patterns. What is figure 8's perimeter? All right, perimeter is the outside. We add up the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This is 4. Let me write that down. This is 4. Sorry, let me write that down. 4. That's 4. Because 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, 1. All right, this one is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This one is 6. This one is 8. This one is 10. Right? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we're adding 2, right? Every 2. So 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm gonna write the next one. It would be number 5 would be 12. 6 would be 14. 7 would be 16. 8 would be 18. We're doing plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So figure 8's perimeter is 18 units long. The relationship of this pattern is increased by 2. Increased by 2. Increased by 2. So now we know. These are some examples of some patterns. Right? So these are some patterns. All right. So homework, I want you to try add 2 more numbers to the pattern. Here is plus 1, plus 2, plus 1, plus 2, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 2, plus 3, plus 2. You're going to find out these numbers for homework. Okay? I'm going to write that down for homework. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 for homework. All right, that's for homework. So page 43 for homework. Page 43 for homework. We're going to do everything else together for classwork next time. We're going to review. But for homework, I want you to finish these for homework for the pattern. Add 2 more numbers to the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, homework. All right? Homework. Okay, good job today. I'll see you guys next time for class.